Okay, so you can see that the robot is fundamentally a humanoid robot in shape. We've got a head here which consists of it's a 3D printed head, and underneath it there's a graphical display where the face is rendered. You know, the face interacts with Joanne or whoever uses it, and it has several emotions and whatnot. We've got two arms and an upper body with legs, so again it's built really with the human in mind. The arms are a little bit different to a person's in that a person's elbow will kind of bend, whereas the elbow here will get longer and subtract. And the reason for that is so that it can pick up things on the ground. So the way in which we've done that is apparent. Inside the body houses the computers and the electronics, and what you see here, the green fan that's lit up, that's effectively, we designed it in such a way that it kind of acts like a very good visual indicator if the robot's turned on. Obviously the green is to show that it's Irish. The legs themselves consist of a thigh and a lower leg, or a shank is kind of what it's called. And how it moves around is with wheels. So even though it looks like a humanoid robot that you might expect it to walk, it moves around just by driving the wheels at the base. And the reason we did that was just because of energy efficiency and simplicity for control. So it's far more efficient, and battery life will last a lot longer if we use this solution. So that was the approach that we took, and that was the motivation for doing it. This stabilizer here, just again, it means the robot's not going to fall over. Without it, it would be very unstable. But what can happen is that if the robot does need to stand up, this can kind of pull it underneath the body, and the robot can stabilise in a similar way to a Segway robot. So the Segway platform will ride itself. The same algorithms are in place on this machine.